Laura, that call came into the Independence Fire Department as a small grass fire. But when firefighters actually got to South Cedar Avenue, they found a home fully engulfed in flames, a total loss. That fire started in the 500 block shortly after 1 o'clock today. A man driving by said he spotted the flames, ran over to the house and tried to kick the door in to see if anybody was inside, but the smoke too much for him. Firefighters did not find anyone inside the home, though, but they do say that the fires did spread quickly because there was a lot of boxes and clothing inside the home, and the wind that we're experiencing caused the fire to blow onto a neighboring home, scorching the siding.
When we arrived, we had probably wind gusts in the neighborhood of 20-25 miles an hour, and it seemed to be changing direction, so it didn't take long for the fire to get an upper hand.
Firefighters believe that fire started somewhere in the rear of the home, but they don't know at this time what actually sparked that fire. Live here in Independence, Taisha Walker, KMBC 9 News.